Have you ever considered starting a food truck business? Let's discuss if it's profitable and how to get started. According to the National Restaurant Association, food trucks generate over $2.5 billion in revenue each year. However, profitability depends on factors like location and menu. For example, a food truck in a busy city center may have higher sales but also higher costs. On the other hand, a food truck in a smaller town may have lower sales but also lower costs. But don't let that discourage you. Food Truck Nation reports that 78% of food truck owners are profitable. So, how do you get started? Research local laws, get licensed, and create a unique menu. With hard work and dedication, you can make your food truck dream a reality.